In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export events in Google Calendar. We'll start right inside Google Calendar on the web. Open your browser and head to Google Calendar so you're looking at your schedule. This works best on a desktop because all the options you'll need are in the full settings menu. Look to the top right of the page for the small gear icon. That's the gateway to all your preferences. Click the gear and from the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to a dedicated page where you can manage everything from time zones to event defaults, and most importantly for us today, moving your events in and out. On the left-hand side of the settings page, find and select Import and Export. This section is designed specifically for transferring your calendar data. It's a handy place to visit when you're switching tools, consolidating calendars, or just creating a backup for peace of mind. Let's talk about importing first. Choose Import, and you'll see options that relate to bringing events into Google Calendar. This is typically where you would work with files like ICS or CSV, which are the common formats used by calendar apps and exported schedules. Importing is useful if you received a calendar file from a colleague, downloaded a schedule from another service, or want to merge a set of events into an existing calendar. You'll also see controls related to which calendar the imported events should belong to. Paying attention to that detail helps you keep personal and work events organized and prevents accidental mixing. Now for exporting. Choose Export in the same section, and Google Calendar will prepare your data for download. The export creates a zip file that usually contains ICS files for each of your calendars. This is perfect for creating a backup, sharing a read-only snapshot of your schedule, or moving your events into another calendar application. Keep that exported file in a safe place, since it can include sensitive event details like titles, notes, and locations. A couple of quick tips as you use these tools. Calendar files follow standard formats, so they're broadly compatible across different apps. If an imported schedule looks off, time zone settings in your calendar can influence how events appear. And remember, imports generally add events as they are. They don't automatically merge or deduplicate existing entries. That's it. From Google Calendar, open the gear menu, go to Settings, select Import and Export, then use Import to bring events in or Export to create a backup. Simple, reliable, and a great way to stay in control of your schedule.